Good morning. All, I'm Satish Sharma, Principal TCI DAV Govindpur Jamahar. Welcome all the members of the inspection committee. School is situated about 200 meters from the main road, and now it is the main gate of the school. Boundary wall. Now we are entering in the school. First of all, it is a check. It is a security purpose. We check all the people of the outsider. Sanitizer. This is for the protection from the COVID-19. Main gate of the school. TCI DAV Public School, Govindpur Jamahar. Boundary wall. View of the boundary wall from inside. Parking area of the school. We have two buses, and it is a boundary wall of the school. View of the boundary wall from inside. Second gate of the school, and the same boundary wall is coming from that side. Boundary wall, view of the boundary wall, third gate of the school, and a boundary wall around the whole building. Auditorium, Andy Grover auditorium of the school. We are entering in the auditorium. View of the auditorium from here. Auditorium, the view of the auditorium from the stage. We are using this auditorium for the indoor games also. Two badminton courts. Upper gallery part of the auditorium we are using for CSR. Indoor game, table tennis, big stage of the auditorium. All the functions of the school, all the celebrations, and indoor games. Staff residential area, we have a 12 quarters, a view of the auditorium from the outside, main gate, boundary wall, and the view of the auditorium from outside. Our football ground, our kho-kho ground, and the back school boundary wall. Our cricket pitch, big cricket pitch. Our Nagendra Singh PTI of the school is standing over there. Badminton ground. Same as a stage for the assembly stage. School have a very big stage, small stage for the student of LKG to UKG. Again, we are on the main entry of the school. Totally filled with the checking system. Our reception area, a counter of friends, Mr. Sumit Kumar, LDC of the school, sick room of the school, P.T. Agrawalji, founder of the TCI, and view of the veranda of the ground floor, drinking water area, filled with the aquaguards, white toilet on the ground floor. White toilet. While coming there, view of the veranda for the first on the ground floor. Conference room and staff room of the school. Filled with a smart board and a CCTV camera. Examination room and food store. Good morning, sir. Good morning. So, view of the veranda. View of the veranda on the first floor. Drinking water on the first floor. Girls' toilet on the first floor. Computer room of the school filled with the files too. Computer room filled with all the modern facilities. CCTV camera, smart board. Where from where our students get the modern technology of the computer. Room for +1 science, table, smartboard, CCTV camera, room for +1 arts, smartboard, CCTV camera, and furniture for the +1 arts, +1 commerce room. Smart board, furniture, CCTV camera. Veranda on the second floor. All the classrooms and the view of the veranda from this side. All the classroom. Game room, or you can say the sports room, indoor games, CCTV camera, library of the school, filled with 3,100 books, all the religion, English teachers, reference resources, mathematics, social sciences, computer, GK, EVS, CCTV camera, chemistry lab for +1. All the experiments are there. Mr. Manoj Kumar Dubey, our science teacher.
These are apparatus related to our chemistry lab and the required chemicals.
New building under construction, ground floor, first floor and second floor. Ground floor is almost ready. First floor is very near to a finishing point, and third floor is under construction. It will take hardly 1 month to complete that building. Entering in the newly construction building, our physics lab and bio lab is here. Physics lab for +1. The lab is filled with all the equipments. Our science teacher All the apparatus are there.
These are equipments related to physics lab and the chart. And the chart are hanging on the wall.
Our bio lab. Very big bio lab.
This one is biolab. You can see there are various microscopes and also there are specimens. Many specimens are here. There only few have been kept in the table, but in America there is about 20 to 25 specimens available. Microscope with experiment also you can see it is still available, and many of the poster to explain the student you can see explanatory system, Hydra, heart, all the testing here.
The plus one science under construction room is ready, and we have just our desks are here. But till then, we will just start our plus one in our old building. We have specific places over there. We have a place over there. After that, we will shift the class over here. View of the ground floor, our physics lab, our bio lab, and chemistry lab under construction. Another view of the classroom in the new building. We can use this room for the plus one class. Another room of the classroom for almost classroom is ready. Members of the inspection team, now we are just giving you the view of the school from the roof of the school. Parking area, boundary wall of the school, auditorium, staff accommodation, our playground, football ground, our coco ground, and from this side, our cricket ground, our badminton ground, small stage for the LKG, UKG, big stage, building under construction, ground floor, first floor, second floor. First floor is ground floor is almost ready. First floor is it will take few weeks, and the final stage and the second floor is ready. View of the building from the roof. Members of the inspection committee, it is the main gate of the school. It is a view from the roof of the school and main entry, boundary wall, and same as a parking area of the school. Lastly, we are just it is a camera of the principal. CCTV camera, specific place for the principal office. All the members of the inspection committee, I want to just tell you that school is situated in a rural area. It is a totally Adivasi area, and I am very thankful to the TCI and DAV, those who have given such a beautiful school for the poor people of this area. Thank you very much. It is all from my side. Thank you.